Hello YouTube, this is me, XFX GeForce again, bringing you another retro unboxing video. It's been a while since I uploaded a retro unboxing video now, or a PC about PC and PC builds in general, because it's been the holidays and Christmas, New Year's Eve and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you videos now regularly, and we're gonna unbox some memories. And this is not the typical memory, or the what should I say, like the mainstream memory. I think this is more unique, I would say, rare stuff nowadays. And these are the crucial BallistiX Tracer LED DDR2 1066 2GB kit. So I'm filming this with one hand, by the way, so no tripod this time. I'm just gonna do it quick. We have the instructions here, how to install the DIMMs in slot. I mean, it's pretty basic actually. So we have here, so this is two 1 gig sticks, so it's 2 gigs, and I think that will be plenty on my high-end Vista gaming build. Or it's Windows 7, but I have Vista themed. I'm gonna show you in another video here. So this will go in my 680 SLI motherboard, along with my 8800 GTX XLI. So this is the 1 gig of DDR2, and it's running at 1066 MHz. That is pretty fast memory of DDR2. I actually think that 1066 is the fastest that came to DDR2. I might be wrong, but I think that. Okay, so here's the package. It is not brand new, I think. It's open and he took pictures of it, but yeah. The BallistiX Tracer. We're gonna pour one out. Oh, look at that heat spreader. The BallistiX Tracer. Crucial. So you can see or can you? So it's more or less an XMP profile on this car sticks. I think it's called EPP back in the day, just by looking at the sticker, if I remember correctly. Or it was like SLI ready or something like that. I could be very wrong. So yeah, so this is 1066 at 55515 at 2.2 volts. That is high, man. I have recently upgraded my main PC with Ryzen, and those memories running at 1.35. So that is, yeah. So you can see the LED chips on the top here. Sorry for the bad quality here, but I have very bad lighting. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna plug them in, and I'm gonna see how they actually works. I never used tracer LEDs or trace memory in my past, so so this will be the first time I am using this. And yeah, I'm gonna right to the installation.
See you soon. See you in a bit. See you soon. See you in a minute.
So yeah, so this is my other BallistiX memory that I'm gonna be replacing. Well, I'm going from 4 gigs of 800 megahertz to 2 gigs of 1066 megahertz memory on a 64-bit system. So in terms of the capacity, I'm downgrading, but the speeds will help me overclock my my Extreme QX 6850 on the 680i motherboard. So this is my Windows Vista ultimate gaming PC. It's actually using Windows 7 with the Vista themed mod or modification. So yeah, so this is how it looks. I got the, as I said, QX 6850. I have the EVGA nForce 680i SLI motherboard. I got the dual 8800 GTX in SLI. I usually run a 3-way SLI, but I mean, 3-way SLI even back in the day was not that scalable. So I went back to 2 cards and installed a XFI or XFI Fatality Platinum sound card. So we can use the EAX in the older games. And down here we have a Kingston. Well, I think it's a 128 gig or something, an SSD, because I want the speeds. And that is a regular old 360 gig hard drive. And we have the Antec high current gamer 900 watts. So that will do the trick. And everything is inside the Fractal Design Focus G. It's a very budget case, but it will do just fine. I have 2 of the Corsair magnetic levitation 140mm fans. These are loud, but they move a lot of air, so it's just gonna help dissipate the heat from these 2 heated cores. So yeah, so we're gonna install the tracers inside this case now. Okay, so the memory all installed, and it's very dark now. So we're gonna fire up the system and see if it works. It beeps and it boots. Nice. And as you can hear, it's very loud. So here you have it. The crucial BallistiX tracer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.